Oh boy. We're stuck.
Stuck on a flat driveway.
It's completely flat.
There's like zero incline.
Slight problem. We got a bump and the bumper's too low. But we have another solution. This is not real.
Custom driveway.
Dang. Okay, what about this guy?
That one, I don't know.
I think that one's planted. First step was to take the bumper off. Now we gotta drain a bunch of stuff.
Easy money. There's no coolant in here.
Beautiful. Intake is gone. It's now David's. Let's see.
I'll have 2 intakes. I'll come out right here and out the front mount.
Dude. Double cool air
It's gonna be a front mount.
Shoot.
Double filtration.
Hell yeah. This is the new intake. Sexy. Next step is done. David, these are all yours. We don't have any exhaust leaks here.
Yeah,
right?
no exhaust leaks.
No exhaust leaks at all.
Yeah, it's all good.
New headers are going in soon. Oh yeah. Okay. 1 hour later of war with the manifold bolts.
We got one missing, but it's okay. We don't tell them.
The battle scars. We are so set. All right, ending things off right here. We struggled, but we got the turbo in. But yeah, we're gonna end things off here. Day number 1. Drop the oil filter in the tub. But yeah, pretty rowdy setup though. Yeah. See you guys on day number 2. Intercooler is mounted. Completely custom, homemade, rigged intercooler, but as long as it's in, it's in. Just got the downpipe in. Where is it? Yeah, right there. This is day 3.
She'll move.
As long as it's on, it's on. Couple days later, I'm not even joking, but we finally got the compression tube in. We were fighting for that bolt with Andrew. Andrew clutched up, but we got the intercooler piping in. The air tube, yeah, we got it in right here. All the charge pipes, in and out pipes, up here through the blow-off valve. We just need a couple more clamps, do a couple more hoses, and that'll be it for this kit. All right, Victor's second time here. This is
I helped with the whole process.
Yep, he helped me just drop off the car. That's it. But yeah,
So we got the
he carried. I wouldn't do anything without him.
carbonator right here.
Carbon.
Connected to the
Combobulator.
carbonator. And you know,
Oh.
this is what goes like. I think this is the part that goes 222. You know.
No, it's literally
then-
not.
That right there is the intake.
The intake manifold.
No, the intake right there.
That's the throttle buddy, you idiot. Numbnuts.
You don't know what you're talking about, pal.
All right.
And then, I think this is the turbo. And that's the blow-off valve, cause like, you know.
Yeah. For real though, I didn't realize you have to tap the oil pan. So you have to drill into it and then weld this on there. And then we got the gasket maker. We gotta seal it. And then we gotta relocate the turbo drain right here. Oh yeah. Oil pan is installed. Oil pan is back on. This guy goes.
This is in our house, by the way. We're
Yeah,
in
this
someone else's garage right now.
This is not our house. We need to take this guy off.
First startup. It's not even churning.
Yeah.
What's that sound?
Okay.
Should I let it keep running or what?
I would try a couple more times. The battery is getting weak.
Yeah, I feel it.
It's gonna die. Maybe just start it. You think that's enough pumping?
Let's try. Uh-oh.
It didn't even start. Uh-oh, the battery's dead.
Oh, well. Should we jump it?
Yeah. If anything, I can throw my battery in there. I don't have a jumper here.
That's unfortunate. Yeah, at least we got it cranking though. Hopefully that got enough to run through.
Looks mean with the intercooler.
Oh yeah, this slow. Parts STK came in clutch. New battery. Okay, so there you go. You sure these are the right size? Size? Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Here's for round 2.
I also have no gas.
Let's see if it starts.
Ready?
Yep.